Your Pleiadian guides have placed this in your timeline because you're ready for a source code activation to shift your timeline into greater abundance, greater inner peace, with a clear focus that aligns with your soul's true nature and purpose, to build the life that you came to this planet to live in this lifetime. And I'm going to guide you through this activation now. So lock in with me. And if you consent to this activation, drop the word activate in the comments and let's get started. Now, to be clear, this isn't breath work. This isn't hypnosis. This is simply a guided journey to shift perception in your consciousness, to focus your energy on what's possible when you make choices for what you choose to create. Now, imagine that your consciousness has settings, kind of like the options on your phone where you can turn the volume up and down or the brightness up and down. We're going to access your consciousness together and make some changes to the default settings that will allow you to show up in the state of being that you choose, in the timeline where you're focused moving forward and building that life that you came to this planet to create. All right, take a deep breath with me. Go ahead and sit up straight and gently close your eyes if you're in a safe place where you can do so. If not, save the video so you can come back to it. If you want to, go ahead and place a hand on your heart or gently let your hands rest in your lap. Now take another deep breath in, all the way in, and gently breathe all the way out. Now I'm going to begin counting backwards to 0, and when I reach 0, the transmission will begin. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Consciousness source code unlocked. Old patterns, 0%. Reality perception, off. Negative perception, off. Neutral perception, on. Solar plexus power, 100%. Abundance perception, on. Inner peace perception, on. Inner joy perception, on. Fear, 0%. Anxiety, 0%. Excitement, 100%. Inner confidence, on. Clarity, on. Connection to higher self, on. Reality awareness, on. Past timeline anchors, disengage. Notice what you notice, feel what you feel, see what you see. Remember to breathe gently in and gently out. Power to choose, on. Authentic expression, on. Connected heart chakra, 100%. Notice what you notice, feel what you feel. Original chakra blueprint integration, begin. Take a deep breath in, gently all the way, and gently all the way out. Highest timeline anchor, engage. Aligned action perception, on. Emotional integration, 100%. Mental integration, 100%. Trajectory of chakra integration, set, aligned. To the perfect timeline, in the perfect way, for the current time, each and every moment, now and in the future. Take another deep breath. New reality awareness, on. New pattern of choice, anchored. Integration of choice into the physical body and physical timeline, on. Integration of your higher consciousness into this body now. Feel what you feel, notice what you notice. If you notice tingling in the body, sensations, or a slight swirling in the mind, this is normal. Just take a deep breath and feel what you feel. Now I will begin counting, and when I reach the anchor frequency, you will gently open your eyes, feeling better than before, fully aligned, and ready to live this day in perfect truth, in perfect health, in perfect vitality, with perfect love and perfect trust. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Breathe in deeply all the way. And gently exhale out and open your eyes and come back to me. Thank you for going on that little journey with me to activate your choice to live the life that you came to this planet to live, to embrace your authenticity, your joy, your excitement, and your highest timeline. If you want to dive deeper into this type of work, I'm doing a class this week on the 13 chakras, and we're going to take a journey through the 13 chakra process and look at where distortions and self-sabotage patterns show up and explore how you can use your 13 chakra source code blueprint to reset all of the blockages so that you can live a life of freedom. The details are in my bio, so I'll see you there on the flip side.